World 100-meter champion Oblique Seville leads a list of 9 men nominated for the R.J. Gleena Sports Foundation National Sportsman of the Year Award for 2025. And there is at least one whose inclusion may raise some eyebrows. The list of male and 4 female nominees was announced at the launch on Wednesday morning.
Despite news breaking earlier this year that he will be one of 4 field event athletes who are in the process of switching allegiance to Turkey, world indoor silver medalist Wayne Pinnock finds himself among 9 athletes who could be crowned National Sportsman of the Year for 2025. Chairman of the R.J. Gleena Sports Foundation Selection Committee, the Honorable Mike Fennell, explained the reason for Pinnock's inclusion.
Well, you cannot deny that he represented Jamaica at the World Championships. And certainly you cannot deny that that is a factor that cannot be ignored. Furthermore, he's still a Jamaican, despite the fact that he has opted to represent another country. That's another matter. That's not to do with us, but we must recognize what he did representing Jamaica.
With the reigning Sportsman of the Year, Roger Stoner, also in the process of switching, the question was put to the chairman whether the committee had discussed how they would treat such matter.
As I said up there, the selection committee deals strictly with performance. We do not deal with the politics of the situation. And certainly we, like any other individual, we're not happy about our colleagues going to represent another country. But you cannot deny proper recognition and respect for what they did whilst representing Jamaica.
Meanwhile, world champion Oblique Seville leads the list of 9 men. Seville won his first individual global medal when he dismissed a quality field in Tokyo to take the men's 100 meters in a personal best 9.77 seconds. Silver medalist Kishane Thompson has also been nominated on a list where 8 of the 9 nominees are from track and field. The other nominees are Tokyo World Championship sprint hurdle silver and bronze medalists Orlando Bennett and Tyler Mason, long jump silver medalist Tajay Gale, 200-meter bronze medalist Brian Lavelle, indoor high jump bronze medalist Raymond Richards, while Grand Senior World Champion veteran Anthony TVJ Johnson is the only non-track and field nominee. Johnson created history by winning the country's first ever gold medal at the International Practical Shooting Confederation Handgun World Championship in South Africa when he took gold in September. Meanwhile, only 4 women have been nominated for the Sportswoman of the Year award. World Championship 100-meter silver medalist Tina Clayton, along with Sharika Jackson, who took bronze in the 200 meters in Tokyo, are joined by world indoor 60-meter hurdles bronze medalist Akira Nugent and motorsports phenom Sarah Megier. Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports.
Meanwhile, the 2026 R.J. Gleena Sports Awards will see the introduction of a new category to acknowledge team performances for 2025. The awards gala will also see a name change for 2026. The announcements were made by Chairman of the R.J. Gleena Sports Foundation, Gary Allen.
What we have agreed is that in recognition of the excellence that we have in team sports, that we will now do a National Team of the Year award. And since we are having a National Team of the Year join a National Sportsman of the Year and a National Sportswoman of the Year, we can't then just call it National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year and leave out the team. So to be inclusive, we have changed the name to be the R.J. Gleena National Sports Awards, and that covers everybody.
The 65th R.J. Gleena Sports Foundation Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Awards ceremony will take place on Saturday, January 17, 2026. The awards will be on live on TVJ, TVJ SN, Hits 92 FM, and OneSpotMedia.com.